Hey guys, this is Bill Flagg coming to you from 75-81 Chancellor Avenue in Newark. This is a hot new listing that's been on the market for less than a day, and there's already 10 buyers wanting to see it. There's going to be many more. This is an English castle. It's a unique property that you don't find very rarely anywhere. And to make it even better, the price of it is only $529,900. This English castle features custom woodwork throughout the house. There's lots of distinctive features. It's old world, old school, built by Europeans from way back in the day. And it has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 1 half bath. Has a nice big entry foyer, living room, dining room, office, kitchen, butler's pantry / breakfast room on the first floor. And it also has a full bath on the first floor. Just a few quick notes about the neighborhood if you're wondering. We are located in the Weequahic Historic District, and this is an historic district in Newark, one of many. And we're close to the park. The park is 2 blocks away, down the street, and we're about half a mile from Route 78, and this way we're about a mile from Route 22. So we're centrally located near all major highways and very close to Newark International Airport. We're 10 minutes from downtown Newark and Newark Penn Station. And it's great for commuters that want to move into New Jersey and work in New York. So for this price, if we go 2 miles, 3 miles up the street, it would be over double the price. It's a great opportunity, and come see it.